take a little time for the short to set up. I don't know if we're going to get it right out the gate, especially if we rally in the first 30 minutes since we're at the bottom of the range. So again, it might be a patience day. Really what I'm looking at is 33.12 down to 32.45, 32.50 area. That would be ideal. I had an order sitting out there, got filled on one strike there. Nice. I'm looking to split my risk across 2 strikes. So I'm not really piling in 1R yet. So that was a good half R fill on that. So I got the short on Amazon. Coming into 80 now. Good place to take a little profits and then add on a pop and then get a second strike. I got my ad there to get the ones I sold back. There we go. Let's see if there's any size supporting 75 this time. All right, let's see what happened here. So even now the tape's just telling us more downside. Let's go. We can get one more good low down here, one more new low, preferably down here in the 65 area. At about 60 area by the top of this hour. I'm gonna take profits. Sold a little bit, paid myself a little bit there again. Another badass trade on Amazon today.